There's a place downtown where the freaks all come around. It's a hole in the wall. It's a dirty free for all. Tonight, turn me on. Tonight, take it off. Tonight, take it off. Everybody, take it off.
I'm so full of it, but I think I'm just better, baby. You think I can be so arrogant, but I'm just trying to keep my head up, baby. You think I procrastinate, baby, but I think I'm taking my time. You think you need to leave, but I think I disagree. But if you believe you'll do best without me, I'll let it go, girl, it's over. But before we say goodbye, we can work it out, yeah.
We're sorry, the number you have reached is not in service at this time. Please check the number or try your call.